Jeanette, do you think the market is underestimating the impact and the potential of this happening?
I do. We think that the market is rather anticipating that the corporate rate will go up, maybe somewhere between 25% and 28%. But we think that the Biden proposal also has a lot of changes to taxes on international income for U.S. multinationals. And that's going to have a big impact that may be underappreciated right now by investors. Also, I think some of these individual tax changes, we still have to see the details of this proposal. But I think as we kind of look at the totality of what actually might be enacted, that could still have an impact. And the other thing to kind of keep in mind, too, is that right now we're in the midst of having a lot of fiscal stimulus coming from the COVID-19 pandemic. And that's going to start to wear off as we move into this next package, which is the infrastructure and the social infrastructure. And that funding takes a long time to come out. So I think as investors start to really look at the end of COVID stimulus, the move to longer delayed infrastructure spending paired with tax increases that might be larger than people were anticipating, there might need to be some repricing here.
Michelle, switching focus a little bit, what did you make of the durable goods number this morning? And does it in any way take away from the sort of sense of economic data beats of recent weeks and months?
So the core capital goods shipments number, which is what actually feeds into GDP, was spectacular, rising over 1% on the month. Core capital goods orders a little bit softer than expected, but it's still showing meaningful improvement. So, and if you look at the trend in business investment, it's actually already been very strong. And that's something that I think has been underappreciated with so much focus on the strength in the consumer. But the business investment figures have also been robust, and the indications very much suggest that will continue. So we think there's a really compelling argument out there for greater business investment as companies respond to the gains we've seen in underlying demand, and look forward towards greater technology advancement, towards a changing economic landscape, potentially some reshoring, and try to capitalize on all of that.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.